Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off automatic answering calls in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn off this option, we need to go first to our settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options, settings, accessibility, and here in interaction and dexterity, we have answering and ending calls. And here it is. Answer automatically. Now it's set up as a custom timer, 13 seconds. We can change it if we want to, but if we want to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now the option for our automatically answering calls is now turned off, as it is by default. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.